Today, you're going to learn how to build a diversified investment portfolio using ChatGPT. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, young investors, freelancers, and anyone who wants a simple, low-stress way to build wealth without guessing what to invest in. Before you begin, make sure you know your risk level, your time horizon, and whether you prefer active or passive investing. You don't need exact numbers yet. ChatGPT will help you clarify them. Start with understanding your investing profile using "Help me identify my risk tolerance, time horizon, and investing style in simple terms." ChatGPT will walk you through your comfort with risk, how long you plan to invest, and whether you prefer safer or more growth-focused assets. Next, have it generate a personalised portfolio mix using "Create a diversified portfolio based on my risk level." Include percentages for stocks, bonds, cash, and alternatives. You'll get a clear breakdown, like 70% stocks, 25% bonds, 5% cash, tailored to your answers. Now refine your stock breakdown with "Recommend a diversified stock allocation split across US stocks, international stocks, and emerging markets." Then focus on safer assets using "Suggest a simple list of bond or fixed income investments suitable for my risk profile." For deeper customization, use "Provide ETF or index fund examples for each category in my portfolio." This helps you see real options you can research. To test different scenarios, ask "Show me how my portfolio changes if I want higher growth or lower risk." Before finalizing, double-check everything with "Review my portfolio for diversification gaps and suggest improvements." To stay consistent, build a routine using "Create a monthly or quarterly habit to rebalance and review my portfolio." And that's your full process. Identify your risk, build your mix, customize your categories, test alternatives, and create a long-term system. ChatGPT helps simplify the decisions while you stay in control. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with, so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.